Hello, look, this is our 12 volts PCP compressor. Okay, today we introduce a beautiful one. Open it. Yeah, this is the path together with this compressor and the menu. Yeah, how do you think it? Do you like it? So beautiful one. Oh yeah. And we can see this is shutdown automatic. We can set the pressure here. Yes. And the stainless steel button. And after tested, here is a label on it. And this label. And we could put your logo here, or any place. Yes. Do you like this one? And with a big fan. Yeah, cooling fast. The worker temperature only around 30 degrees. And this fuse, wow, my God, wait a moment. Yes. And this fuse, when the voltage and stable, it will protect your compressor. And here is a, we can see here is a metal label. Show some details. And the AC/DC cable plug. Yes. Okay, do you like it? Welcome to contact TOPA. Mary waiting your message, my friends. See you.